Hi, this is Sam. Welcome to Taiwan. We're having a cooking class today.
Okay, this is going our first soup today. Tom Kha. Tom Kha is very popular soup. That's the water boiling here. Like I say, I'm gonna start off with the soup today. It's cold, right? This is the whole roots. Okay, it's also it's the roots. Okay, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the whole thing in there. We don't eat this. Just bring the flavor out. Okay. There's the water boiling here.
Those are the roots of what? What was it again?
It's a Galangal Baby Ginger.
Galangal, oh ginger.
Galangal, huh? Young ginger, actually.
Can you just substitute with just regular ginger?
It wouldn't be the same. If you look at it, you smell it, you know, it smells real different. If you want to pass it around, you like. Okay, you put any kind of vegetable in there. You could, chicken is very traditional. Okay, you put pork, beef, shrimp. A lot of people like shrimp here. Okay, I'm gonna put the chicken in here. Okay. When you cook the chicken, that would give you the chicken broth itself. Okay, so if you like a little more broth, go ahead and put the chicken bouillon in there. Okay, to give you more flavored chicken. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, add a little more chicken. Now this coconut here, I did pick it up this at Sam's Club. This is not the brand we use. I just want to pick it up just so you guys know where to get them. Okay, this can here make a real good dish. Probably for four people, be perfect. Okay. Okay, this is fish sauce. You know, want a little bit of fish sauce in there. Okay. About depending how many people, half a tablespoon will be fine. Okay. Like I said, again, a variety of peppers and everything is your own taste, your own flavor. Now you go in Thailand, we eat like community style, family style. This way here, again, break down the individual flavor and individual taste. So that's why every table you have this sauce, different sauce at a table. So hey, I like it hotter, so you add on your own plate, instead of everybody. The top, if you don't shake this up, okay, the top one will be very concentrated. So that's what I want to do. Instead of shake, they tell you to shake it, but don't worry about shaking it. Just get the top one here, the bottom one is going to be more liquidy. When you put that in here, you get more out of coconut flavor out of it, okay?
You just going to discard the bottom then?
No, you don't discard. We put that. I'm gonna use it for soup later too. But see the top. If you look in the bottom, everything's set on the bottom. Okay. So this way you get more concentrated coconut. Tom Kha Soup, coconut soup. Tom Kha again, coconut ginger soup. That's what the whole name came from. Okay. It's real simple. So I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic in there. Just break it down a little bit. Just I'll leave a big chunk with more flavor. I mean, a little bit more fish sauce.
B&B is best customer.
Now, I'm going to add some vegetable in there. You can add whatever you want. Mushroom, broccoli. I've seen a lot of people just requesting different coconut, all that in there. I'm going to put bell pepper and carrots in there on this dish, on this one, okay?
Is that typically what you put in here?
Yes, that's what I put in here. Okay. As you know, I don't like to cook my vegetable too long, so I like to keep my vegetable real crispy and all that. So when you come in here, you see a little soggy, you let me know, okay? Okay. What I'm gonna do here is basically it's done. This is how long I'm gonna cook my vegetable. Okay. I'm gonna give one little dish for everybody. Okay, I'm gonna have Donnie pass them this out. Okay.